Gawa tayo ng bilo-bilo. Ito yung glutinous rice natin na bilog-bilog na. Sweet potato, purple. And then kamuting kahoy. Tapos yung 2 kinds ng sago natin. Yung saging, coconut, and sugar. Yan.
2 cups of
Hintayin lang natin na kumulo guys. Yung coconut and water mixture natin. After that, ilagay natin yung kasaba and the rest of the ingredients. So, add natin yung sugar. So, meron na tayong bilo-bilo or